Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You already have the split keyboard visible. Start now. Place a text cursor so the keyboard stays on screen. Look to the bottom right of the keyboard for the small keyboard icon next to globe or emoji. Once located, long press that keyboard icon, hold it down for a second, because that action reveals the merge and docking options you need to rejoin the halves. You're starting the only direct path Apple provides to combine the keyboard back together. After you long press the keyboard icon, a small menu appears with 3 choices. Pick Merge or Dock and Merge depending on whether you want it anchored. Tap Merge to immediately rejoin the left and right halves into a standard keyboard. Tap Dock and Merge if the keyboard is floating and you want it fixed at the bottom of the screen. Once you tap, the halves slide together. Make sure the keyboard snaps to full width. This confirms the change. Finish by typing a few characters to confirm the keyboard is unified and positioned where you want it. If the halves remain separate, repeat the long press and select Merge again. Sometimes the menu misses the first tap. If the keyboard icon menu won't appear, force close the app or restart the iPad and try again. This clears UI glitches. One troubleshooting tip: if nothing works, install any pending iPad OS updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.